Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and it's been a long time. I know I look a little rough, but I said I wasn't going to appear, but I said let me come up here because I haven't seen my family in a long time. So with that being said, I'm gonna jump right into this DIY. I was looking at YouTube as I'm always doing, and I love to watch Bargain Bethany. And Bargain Bethany had a DIY that I think she either got it from TikTok or she got it from Pinterest. And it was so cute that I decided that I was going to give it a whirl. So this DIY is I guess inspired on Bargain Bethany. And this DIY you can get everything from the Dollar Tree. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. Okay, for this DIY you're going to need some black paint. I'm using a sponge brush, and I'm also going to use a regular brush. I'm going to use some Dollar Tree yarn. I might use either the black markers, or you're going to need some form of vessel. This one is the Dollar Tree large one, and also you're going to need some form of top for your jar. And this one right here is a Christmas jar from the Dollar Tree, and the only thing we're using is the top. And you're going to need some hot glue or permanent adhesive, but since this is plastic for me, I'm going to use hot glue. It's some form of material. This is a old shirt, and it has to be white. Dollar Tree sell white t-shirts as well. Using my my TV stuff. It's just really dusty on the inside. Good enough. And since I am not keen on onto the glass. Okay guys, y'all have me for the remainder of this video. So now I'm just painting the vessel, the vase. As you saw before, I drew the oval circle that I wanted to leave out. Now, once you get, I think 2 coats of paint on should be good. I'm going to go ahead and put my top on. As I said, I was using hot glue, and I'm going to paint that top. Now, this is where mine is going to get a little bit different from Bargain Bethany's. Okay, first I'm going to cut up my squares. I need a small, medium, and large one. And so once I get my small, medium, and large square out of my fabric, I'm going to move on to doing my largest ghost. Now, before I go any further, I would say make your ghosts smaller than what I made mine, because they took up a whole lot of room in the vessel, and I think they could have been a little bit smaller where I know they could. And I decided to use the permanent marker to put the eyes and the mouth on the ghost. Now here's the difference. Now Bargain Bethany in theirs did not have the hot glue that looked like melted wax coming down it. It just came to me when I was putting on the top, and so I decided to go for it. Now I'm just taking the hot glue gun and pretty much just squeezing it on the vessel to make it look like melted wax. And then I'm going to paint it Firehouse Red, I guess that's what I would call it. But it's a Weatherly paint, and I think it's called Bright Red by Weatherly. And I'm going to, no, that's not, that's Apple Barrel, Pure Red or Red. So I'm just going to paint all of the wax, and once I paint all the wax, you could say it's hot melted wax coming down, or whatever you want to say. Yeah, I just figure it makes it look more, a little bit more Halloween, and a little bit more, dramatic. So now I am doing my small and medium ghosts, and I'm testing it out for size, and I'm starting to put my ghost inside of the vessel. Now the large one goes in first, the medium one kind of snugs in up under the large one, and Bargain Bethany and them, they put their small one actually on the vessel, and I couldn't get mine to go right, so I just said, hey, I'll put it on the bottom of the medium one, and that worked out fine. So now guys, if you want to make this permanent, use a permanent adhesive. For me, I'm using hot glue because I don't know if I'll use any of this stuff over again. And so I'm now just getting my family together, testing it out for size, and I got it where I want it. So now I'm putting it in with the hot glue. And after I finish doing that, I'm just going to arrange it a little bit more, do some touch-ups. Then I'm going to seal mine with Mod Podge. Now, we know that if you put Mod Podge on paint and you want it off and you pull it, find your spot to pull it up on, you can pull it up. And it will be easier with this task right here because it has the hot glue on it. So now I'm showing you the puck light that I put in. And this particular light will change colors. So I'm going to show you some of the colors. And then after I do that, I am going to stage it so you guys can see what it looks like. But right there, you can see it looked really spooky with the green. I gave you that shot. I'm going to give you a shot of what it looks like when it's in the daylight. There it is in white. In the next clip, you're going to see how it looks. Now guys, I thank you for watching this video. I know it has been a while. I've been trying to edit this video for like a week now. I just got to get back into the editing thing of it and learn my program over again. And here I'm showing you how I have it set up in a little Halloween thing with the first aid kit, a pumpkin, and a black chandelier, candelabra. And so I'm showing you my ghost inside of their apothecary jar, and they look good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can make a large one, which I want to do to put on my front porch. You can get those large vessels from Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's. And now I'm showing it to you elevated, and then I'm going to show it to you without the puck light on the inside. It's going to sit on the outside, and that looks real good as well. And after that, guys, I see you in my next video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.